Not many people have taken the time to understand what their purpose in life is. Once you know the purpose in your life, it becomes like this whole huge gravity in your life. It starts pulling in good things. It attracts the best things in your life. So I use the Japanese tradition called as Ikigai. What are you thinking? What are you saying? And how are you acting? If these three things are different, human beings are basically intuitive creatures. I spent like 30-40 years of my life, and I always every day ask, am I excited to wake up? Am I charged up today? Because I know I have figured out this is what I would want to be doing for the rest of my life. Have you figured out your purpose in life? If you are in self-doubt, if you lack clarity, if you feel out of balance, we all go through these phases all the time. It happens to me also, even though I'm aligned with the purpose. Let's get it out of the way. Let's figure out what our purpose is.
The Ikigai exercise will give you that sense of clarity, will give you that sense of alignment with your purpose. And with the Wheel of Life exercise, what we are trying to do is kind of mapping. It will really give you an honest self-check into where you're at in your life right now and help push you towards building that dream life.
I've spent the last decade of my life working with people who are all about 10x hacks. You want 10x growth. I want 10x increase in customer base. I want 10x growth in my philanthropic work. They all follow some process which works for them. And to me, it starts with Ikigai. Ikigai was one of the greatest discoveries for me. Ikigai is the life force which drives you to the purpose of your life. Doing what you love, being surrounded by people who matter to you, who really, really matter to you. It's not only about being happy and being cheerful, living a long life, but are you going to have your career aligned with this? There's no point having a billion dollar net worth when you're sick. Everybody has a coach. Sundar Pichai has a coach. Larry Page, Sergey Brin has a coach. There's a reason why people go to the gurus. You need some sort of community.
There are basically three main reasons stopping people from achieving their dream. And those are, one is a lack of direction, not knowing where you want to go. Two is an inability to take action because you don't know how to start, where to start, what to start with. And then finally, there's the mindset issue. That is, you are holding you back. There's a lack of self-confidence, motivation, procrastination, a lack of self-belief.